Stop scrolling. Did you know you can clean your keyboard in seconds with just a post-it note? Grab a sticky note and run the adhesive edge between your keyboard keys. The sticky strip grabs dust, crumbs, and debris that hide where your fingers can't reach. It's fast, mess-free, and you probably already have post-its lying around. This hack is perfect for laptops and desktops alike. The science is simple. The sticky edge acts like a mini lint roller, trapping dirt instantly. Save this hack for your next desk cleanup and follow for more micro tips every day.